Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on these mount accessories. So you get these pieces of double-sided tape, and you also have these little pieces of metal. Okay, so these two pieces of tape, they already have the double-sided tape installed. Just peel that away and you can stick that down. Let's take a look at these. It does come with, looks like 4 alcohol wipes. Now, whatever you stick these on, they do want you to wait up to 48 hours for you to get the full potential. Now here, these are just extra two-sided pieces of tape. So you'll peel one side off, there's the two-sided tape, and then peel the other side off, and that's exposed both sides of the two-sided tape. So let's open up this other bag. Looks like we got some different, these are both 2 pieces of metal also. Let's measure, it's about 1.5 inches, almost 1 5/8. The middle one is 1 1/8. Looks like we got some small ones. Those are about 7/8. So this is the unboxing and review. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.